Hello students. Now today's topic is alligation and mixture. Now what do you mean by mixture? Mixture is mixing of two or three quantities to form something. For simple example, if water is mixed with sugar, this is a solution. Same way, when two or more quantities are added to form something, a solution or alloy, these are mixtures. When two or more quantities are mixed to form. What is alligation? Alligation is the method of mixing. The method of mixing is known as alligation. Now what we do in alligation, this will help us to find by what way the mixture is made. For simple example, if I start in a way that assume that I am having two kinds of pen. I am having two kinds of pen. Pen A, which costs you 20 rupees per pen, and pen B, which cost me 30 rupees per pen. Now, the simple way, these are the two pens. I bought this by 20 rupees per pen. I bought this by 30 rupees per pen. Now, I kept these two pens in my shop. But somehow, these cost me A and B. Average cost occurred to me is 27 rupees per pen. Find the ratio in which A and B pens were bought. Now, this is the question of alligation. How? I bought a pen with 20 rupees. I bought a pen with 30 rupees. Now the average cost occurred to me is 27 rupees per pen. So this is a mixture. For simple example, this is a container I have where I kept the box. A pens are there. B pens are there. Now, why to segregate separately? Whenever I put the hand, I'll sell it with the cost of 27 rupees. So it will help me out. This is the basic thing. Now how to solve this question? There is a way which we use as a shortcut. Before shortcut, we will go with the basic method. So I will write the question properly, then we will discuss about it. Now the question is A 20 rupees per pen, B 30 rupees per pen, and average cost is A of A and B is 27 rupees per pen. Find the ratio in which A and B were bought. Now, shortcut and basic. These are the two things which we follow. Now, what is the shortcut? We will discuss and we will derive from the basic. Now, what is the basic? Let the number of pens for A is X, for B is Y. What is the total cost? Total cost from A is 20X. What is the cost from B? 30Y. Done. Now what is the average cost? X plus Y into 27. This is what total number of pens in this case is. X plus Y. The cost is this. Now these are equal. I am writing the equation here. Now this is equal. So I can equate total cost occur 20X plus 30Y is equal to X plus Y into 27. So I can write 27X here minus 20X that side. Now 30Y minus 27Y. So now I am able to find X ratio Y. Is it done? Now this is the way in a basic form to do. Now what is the shortcut? The shortcut will solve this in a very easy way. Cost of first kind of pen, cost of second kind of pen, average cost of pen, then solve it in this way with the mod sign. Take the difference, C2 minus average cost, C1 minus average cost. These are derived from this only. Now put the value. What is the cost one? 20. What is the cost 2? 30. What is the average? 27. Take the difference. 7. 30 minus 27, 7. 20 minus 20. Sorry, this is 3 and this is 7. So X ratio Y. So X ratio Y is 3:7. तो यहाँ पे भी तो वही आएगी 3x 7x 3y. So 3:7 में कन्वर्ट हो गया. So this is the way how we solve this. This is the basic method. This is the shortcut method. When we are mixing two coins to form a particular ratio to get into a particular cost. I hope you are getting it. Now the next part for this is the basic how to derive. Now we are not going to derive. We are just talking about the shortcut. I'll explain what are the things are to be there in the shortcut. Then we will apply it. It will be applicable for the mixtures also. Now first type A rice. Type A rice cost me 60 rupees per kg. Same type B rice cost me 40 rupees per kg. Now the average cost of A and B cost me 55 rupees. Find the ratio in which I bought the type A to type B rice. So what was the shortcuts? Cost 1, cost 2, average cost, then take the difference with the mod sign and solve it. This is what we have done. What is the cost 1? 60. What is the cost 2? 40. What is the average cost? 55. Take the difference. 15. What is the difference? 5. So 15 ratio 5. This is A, this is B. So 3:1, A:B. So this is the desired answer. Many of the videos will tell cheaper, dearer. No need to go with the cheaper, dearer. Simple cost 1, cost 2, go with the mode. But be particular about it. This should be the cost. This should be the cost. And this has to be the cost. These three should be in the same way. In exams, they will tell you the selling price of this pen with the profit, then you have to convert it. Is it okay? How to apply the shortcut? Now, the next question. For this, with the same trick, we can go. The next question. Now, the next question is, how many kg of tea worth rupees? Of T1 worth rupees 25 per kg. 25 per kg. This is the cost of type 1 tea. Be blended with 30 kg, means 30 kg of type 2 with the cost of 30 rupees per kg. So that the blend should be sold. The blend should be sold. मतलब अब sold हो रहा है. Sold at a cost of 30 rupees per kg. At a cost of 30 rupees per kg, which gives me a profit of 10%. Profit of 10%. Now this is the basic question. T1 25 rupees per kg, T2 30 rupees per kg, but the quantity of T2 is 30 kg. Sold at 30 rupees per kg with a profit of 10%. Find the quantity of T1. ये कितने kg है? So how can I do? First find average cost by this. So what is the profit? So I can write 110% of cost CP is equal to 30. So CP is equal to 30 into 100 upon 11, 110. Yes or no? Till now done. So simplify it. No need to solve it properly. Simplify it. 300 upon 11. Done. Or if you want to simplify it, go by this. 11 to 22, 80, 11, 7, 27.2. This is the cost. This is the approximate cost. So now you have the average cost, you have the cost 1, you have the cost 2. Now solve for it. 25, 30, 27.2. Solve it. This is 2.8. Solve it. This is 2.2. Now remove the decimal and divide it with the common number. So common number is 2. It will become 14. Ratio it will become 11. So 14 ratio 11 is the total quantity. Is the ratio of T1, T2. So I can write T1 upon T2 is equal to 14 by 11. T2 की quantity क्या है? 30. So T1 upon 30, 14 by 11. T1 will be 14 into 30 by 11. Till now done? Any doubt? This is the way how to do it. Profit 10% I have converted it into this value. This is how we do it. This is a shortcut I applied. Now done? Any doubt in it? Now the next question. Now the next question for this. Now the next question, how much water should be added to 40 liters of milk? How much water should be added to 14 liters of milk? Of what rupees? Milk का worth है 14 milk का worth is 5.4 rupees per liter. 5.40 rupees per liter. How much water should be added to 14 liters of milk of worth rupees 5.40, so that the mixture, the value of the mixture will become 4.20. So average cost will become 4.20 rupees. यहाँ से डन है? Any doubt? अब कंडीशन सुनो. Whenever I am mixing milk with water, water की cost नहीं होती. I don't have any cost of water, so I can directly go 5.40. This is the cost of milk. This is the cost of water 0. The average cost is 4.20. The difference is 4.2. The difference is 1.2. Take decimal out because common. Divided by 2 or 6. Divided by 6. 6, 7, 6, 2. So 7:2 is the ratio. So 14 liter is of milk. Means 7x is equal to 14. X is equal to 2. So 2x will become 4 liter water is to be added. Is it okay? Is it okay? Any doubt? Now the other part. Now we will do dilution of the solution, concentration of the solution and iteration solution. Now we'll do that. What to do and how to do we can go by this way. I'll solve it in 3 parts. Now first I will dilute, then I will concentrate, then I will iterate. Now how to do this? I have a 80 liter of 80% pure milk solution. This is the condition. How much water should I add to make 60% pure? First type. Second, I have 80 liter solution of 80 liter of 50% pure solution of milk. How much milk should I add? How much milk should I add to form 70% pure solution? First I will solve these. Now in these two cases I have to find the quantity or the quality which is constant throughout the journey. So I will solve this one. You will solve this one by seeing this method. So first 80 liter solution done. 80% pure means 80% of 80 liter is milk, 20% is water. So 80% and 20%. 80% of 80 liter is 64 liter. 20% of 80 is 16 liter. So what is it? 64 liter milk. What is 16 liter? Water. What I am going to add? Water. What I am going to add? Water. So what is the other part? Water is added. That means in the new solution that will goes in this way, where milk is transferred as it is and water will vary by 16 plus W. Yes or no? First thing. Now 60% pure, that means this is now become 60% of this quantity. Yes or no? So 60% of 80 plus W is equal to 64. 60% of 80 plus W is equal to 64. So this is the case. 60% of 80 is 48. 60% of it is 48 liter plus 0.6 W is equal to 64. So W will be 64 minus 48 upon 0.6. So what is the difference? 24 upon 0.6. So this will be 40 liter. So water added in this solution is 40 liter water is added to make the solution 60% pure. I hope you get it. I'll explain again. So 80 liter was the mixture which is 80% pure, and I have to add water to it to make it 60% pure. That means I am going to dilute it. So when I am diluting it, the concentrate remains constant in both the ways, before and after diluting. Concentrate remains same. So 80 liter, 80% pure, that means 64 liter is milk, 20% water, that is 60 liter is water. So water is added in the beaker. The water is added which make the content of the beaker is 80 plus W. So 64 liter I am not going to touch. It will transfer as it is in the new beaker, that is 64. So in the new beaker 16 plus water will be added. Fair enough. Now this 64, now it is 60% of what? Of the new content in the beaker. So 60% of this content is equal to 64 liter. So solve for it and done. Is that clear? Now the other part, we will concentrate it. Now we will concentrate it. Now see how we will concentrate it. In this 80 liter, 50% pure, that means 50% water. So 50% pure means 40 liter is milk and 40 liter is water. Till now done. A new beaker, we have to increase the concentration, that means we have to add milk in it. Now we are adding milk in it. New beaker will become 80 plus M. Fair enough. Milk will become 40 plus M. Water remains as it is. What is the percentage of purity? 70%. This is 70%. This is what? This is what? 30%. So I can write 30% of 80 plus M is equal to 40. So 30% of 80 plus M is equal to 40. That is 24 plus 0.3 M is equal to 40. So M is equal to 40 minus 24 upon 0.3. So this is the amount of water added in it. Difference क्या था? In that case हमने मिल्क कंटेंट को कंपेयर किया था with this amount. इस केस में हमने वाटर कंटेंट को कंपेयर किया this amount. Why? जब हम dilute करते, whenever we are diluting it, we are taking care of the concentrate because water is varying, but milk is not. Other part, when I am concentrating it, pure content is varying, water is the constant part. So whatever be the case, I have to compare the constant data. Till now done. Now go with the iteration method. What does it tell? Here we have added to change the concentration. In this case, we are adding and removing. So iteration formula, final concentration is equal to initial concentration 1 minus removal upon initial concentration to the power n. What kind of question they will ask? A beaker of 80 liter, solution of milk to water 2:3. The basic question. 80 liter beaker where milk to water ratio is 2:3. Now 5 liter is taken out from the mixture and 5 liter milk is added to the mixture, and this process is done twice. After this, then how will I do? So first I will find the water to milk ratio is this. So this is 5 part is of 80. 5x is equal to 80. X is equal to 16. So it is 32 liters. It is 48 liters. So this is the quantity I have. So now 5 liter is taken out. 5 liter will be taken in the same ratio. So 2 liters, 32 liter and 48 liter. So 2 liter is removed from this 3 liter is removed from this. Now it will become 30, it will become 45. Now this is the new ratio available in the beaker. How will I go? 3 I will divide it by 15. 15 twos are 15 threes are. Again remain constant. I will do the same process. This will become lengthy. If I put the value directly, final concentration to be found out. Done. Initial concentration 80. 1 minus what is the removal and replacement? 5. Out of initial 80 to the power 3 times. 1 they have told, and after doing that they said they will do it twice more. So power 3 it is done. So this is the complete of alligation and mixture. I hope you get it. So try to solve as many questions as you can regarding this. Thank you.